it.
I'm not doing it. But
Joe did it yesterday too.
Yeah, yes.
When
you
was
were
here,
talking to
and
your
you were
kids,
talking to Mia.
when you talk to your kids,
Hey,
and
Mia.
yes,
Yeah.
and it's not necessarily. I guess when you could be mad at them, or when you're just like
Then
in a
it's
good
more like,
mood. I don't believe that. But Jen, you know what I'm talking about? It's like this soft.
I mean, I
voice.
see it with that. Plus, also, if you have a phone voice, you do it there.
Yes.
I have a work voice.
Chelsea's
Hey.
phone voice leaves some to be desired. I call you like,
Oh my.
Words right there.
Shots fired,
hey,
Joey.
what's going on? Like you're real like monotone, like low
I told
monotone.
you guys, when I don't have this microphone on, I am a mumbler and I talk.
I will agree with the monotone a little bit.
Yeah.
I had to call her yesterday.
Yeah.
And it was straight business on the phone.
I am about to leave. Y'all can do the show. Jen, what's the weather looking
I'll go
like?
ahead and
for
talk
my
about the
walk
weather.
home?
You know what? I'll go back to the baby dolphins. I will say this. We went on in the boat a couple weeks ago, and we saw some mama dolphins, and there was a little baby dolphin. You can actually hear the whistling, and so it was very, very cute. Hopefully some folks down there in Orange Beach get to go out and see some of that heading into today. We're seeing nice conditions so far to start off for this morning, seeing sunshine, but take a look at those waves. Major improvements over the past couple of days, a sight that I like to see, calm conditions, but temperatures are going to be warming up, so you're going to want to take a dip heading into today, upper 80s for the daytime highs. Now radar right now, things look calm and quiet out there, really beginning to see some sunshine, just a little bit of cloud cover, but do keep in mind the heat alerts that we have heading into today. Now the different colorations just means that some areas are going to be feeling a bit warmer, but really all over the Gulf Coast, we're going to be feeling hot. You just have to meet a certain criteria, but heat advisory in place for the entire Gulf Coast, but even southern Mobile, Baldwin counties, the Florida Panhandle, some of our Mississippi counties, they're included in that excessive heat warning. And so that just means temperatures, they're going to be feeling even warmer. Regardless of all of this, however, pretty much everywhere has the potential to feel like we're 105 up to 115 degrees. That's going to be in place for this afternoon and this evening, and that trend only continuing for the week ahead of us. By the time we make it into this afternoon, soaring for our feels like temperatures into the triple digits, staying mild this evening, temperatures resting in the mid 80s for those feels like temperatures, and then by tomorrow morning by 10 a.m. we're already going to be feeling like 100 degrees. Now again, I mentioned that we're seeing this for the next couple of days ahead of us. Here's a look. Well, going ahead, taking another look at your forecast. Temperatures out there right now, upper 80s in both Mobile and Pensacola. But keep in mind those dew points in the mid 70s. So right now, feeling like 99 in Mobile and feeling already like 100 degrees in Pensacola. Now the heat alerts heading into today, heat advisory for our inland areas, excessive heat warning in that pink coloration. Regardless of what color your county's in, you're going to be seeing hot temperatures heading into today. You just have to see it meet a certain criteria that dictates which one you're going to be included in. But again, like I said, regardless, you're going to be seeing heat indices easily getting into the triple digits, ranging from around 105 to 115 degrees for that feels like temperature heading into the second half of today. Now taking a look at the actual air temperature, here's what daytime highs are looking like. Mid to upper 80s closer towards the coast. As you head further inland, those lower to mid 90s. Just a reminder, around average, we're typically setting at around 90 degrees for daytime highs, but the biggest difference is going to be that humidity that we're seeing that's really contributing to this problem. Now over the next couple of hours, our heat indices, they're going to be rising, getting into the triple digits, what we're already kind of seeing right now, but really expecting us to be feeling like 105 to even up to 115 in some spots by this afternoon. Staying warm tonight, going to be feeling like the mid 80s, and then by 10 a.m. tomorrow, back up into feeling like the triple digits. Now taking a look offshore south of Dauphin Island, a little bit on the breezy side, but those wave heights around that 1 to 2 foot range. And then in case you're heading on down towards the beach, low rip current risk today, tomorrow, plus also Thursday with that surf height just around 1 foot. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast and your 7 days. All of that's coming up soon. Chelsea.